Hello, incredible mamas. Welcome to day 11 of this 30-day prenatal yoga journey. In today's practice, we are going to focus on chaos. Pregnancy can often feel chaotic, with constant change, unexpected challenges, and a whirlwind of emotions. Trust me, I feel you. But within this chaos lies an opportunity to find strength, resilience, and peace. In this session, we'll embrace the theme of chaos intentionally, using it as a tool to discover our inner calm and balance. So hop into something comfy and let's get started. Let's begin in child's pose. Bring your knees out wide, big toes to touch, and walk your hands out gently. Rest your forehead and your arms on the mat. Notice your breath here. Inhale peace and calm. And exhale any negative emotion you may have carried with you into practice today. On your next inhale, walk your hands over to the right side of your mat for a gentle side body stretch. Welcome your thoughts and your emotions currently. How are you feeling? Exhale and fall gently into this pose. Inhale, walk your hands over to the left side of the mat. Exhale, release. Inhale, come back to center and come into a cross-legged seated position. Interlacing your fingers, inhale and raise your arms above your head and lengthen your spine. Exhale, cactus arms. Feel the release in your upper back, your shoulders, and your arms. Inhale, hands back up overhead. Exhale, bring your hands back down to the mat. Coming back into all fours, knees under hips, wrists under shoulders. Be sure to tuck your pelvis to protect your lower back. Walk your hands forward for pigeon pose. Placing right knee behind right wrist. Extending your left leg long. Press your hands into the mat and inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, begin to walk your hands down to fold. Harness that energy of chaos to build your inner strength and resilience. You are stronger than you know. Breathe deeply and let your breath be your anchor. Inhale, walk your hands back up, coming back up into all fours. Switching sides now. Left knee behind left wrist. Extending your right leg out behind you. Inhale, lengthen your spine, square your hips and your shoulders. And exhale, fold over, pigeon pose. Maybe tell yourself an affirmation in this moment. For example, every chaotic moment is an opportunity to discover my strength and my power. Or, in the midst of chaos, I can find inner calm. And lastly, my breath is my anchor. On an inhale, walk your hands back up. Coming into a seated pose again. Extend your left leg out long, right knee bent, sole of your right foot to your inner thigh for Janu twist. Place your left hand on your inner thigh, right hand on your mat behind you, squaring your hips forward and opening your body up with your shoulders to the right. Look over your right shoulder. Allow the twist to wring out any chaotic energy, transforming it into a sense of calm and clarity. Inhale, come back to center, and exhale, fold. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, tuck your chin. Inhale, switch sides. Extend your right leg long out in front of you. Bend your left knee and bring the sole of your left foot to your inner thigh. Coming into Janu twist, place right hand in your inner thigh, left hand back behind you on the mat. As you twist, look over your left shoulder. Inhale, lengthen your spine, square your hips and your pelvis, and open up to the side with your shoulders and heart. Inhale, come back to center, and exhale, fold over your front leg. Ground yourself firmly here with your breath. Inhale, walk yourself back up. Grab a bolster or pillow for between your legs. Grab a blanket for underneath your neck. Come into side-lying Savasana. Get really comfortable here. Place your hand on your belly. Connect with your baby. Rest in this final pose, letting go of any chaos and finding deep peace and relaxation. Bringing your awareness back to your practice, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. With your eyes shut, come back up into a seated position. placing your hands in Anjali Mudra, prayer position at your third eye. Namaste. Thank you, amazing mamas, for joining me in this practice centered around chaos. Remember, chaos is not something to fear, but something to embrace and transform with. If this practice helped you find calm amidst the chaos, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more supportive prenatal yoga sessions. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. How has embracing chaos helped you during your pregnancy journey? Your insights can inspire and support our community of mamas. Until tomorrow, embrace the chaos, find your calm, and continue your beautiful journey of motherhood. Namaste.